Are you trying to prevent quality excursions and achieve faster innovation, speed time to market, optimize yield and production efficiencies, and greater supply chain transparency? These issues have never been more important. With escalating demand of semiconductor products for advancing digital transformation, managing the data complexity around addressing these issues, such as finding the root cause of a quality excursion, is like searching for a needle in a haystack. However, there is now a solution, and it starts and ends with data. Data is becoming the key component to guide our industry forward. We not only deliver best-in-class semiconductor materials to our customers, we have a smarter way to control our materials' performance with advanced analytics, leveraging data in quality, research and development, and supply chain. We continuously push ourselves to the boundaries, from application of data analytics to validation via simulations and experiments for faster material innovations. Get in touch with us to learn about how you can leverage our innovative data approach and, together with our materials expertise, to drive future semiconductor innovation. Time is money in the semiconductor industry. Let's reduce months of work to weeks together with us. Talk to us. Have questions? Interested to know more?